Hello everybody, welcome. Now, just a quick one today. You might be playing up, I've had to order a new one. Should be here in a couple of days. So I'm hoping you can hear me, or if it's crackling, I'll try and sort something out. But in the meantime, I'm just going to do something simple to test this mic thing. Brussels sprouts from Aldi. Now I had them, I mentioned them on my live stream the other week. And then someone reminded me in the comments the other day. So I've been and got some. So let's open them up and let's have a look. Right, it says new. I don't know whether it just means new for Christmas every year or what, I don't know. I've never had them before. Now you've got Brussels sprouts with chestnuts and cranberries and butter. And you've also got Brussels sprouts with bacon, maple flavour, glaze and butter. $1.99 each. I don't think I'm even going to be able to read any of that. Oven and shallow fry. Well, I'm going to shallow fry them anyway. I've got my frying pans out. So basically, it says shallow fry, cook from frozen. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Got a small man. Add contents of the bag and fry on a high heat until the butter has melted and reduce to a medium heat. Stir frequently. That's okay then. There's nutrition, we're going to have a look at that. This is on the bacon flavour one and the maple. If you can see it, it's very small writing. That's that one. And the chestnut and cranberry. I think it should be the same, shouldn't it? 1 tablespoon. Add the contents of the bag till the butter's melted, the air reduced and stir and steam. Exactly the same. There's that, and where is it? There, if you can see it. And the same, that one's the chestnuts and cranberry. Right, let's open them up and have a look. Probably won't see much till they're in the pan, I suppose. There they are, there's the butter in there. Probably can't see a lot, can you, after you get them in the pan? See a few bacon bits in there, look. But we'll find out when we get them in the pan. Right, I'm going to get the pans warmed up. Tablespoon of oil in each. Right, I'm going to stick the chestnut and cranberry and the one at the back. Oh, tell you what, some nice bits of cranberry and that in there. I'll stick the bacon one in the front. And give them a stir, we'll get the butter out, we got some take long to that butter. Oh, they look quite nice. You can see that. Oh, a few bits of bacon in there as well. That's why I wanted to shallow fry them. You're going to get the crispy bacon then better, ain't you? Right, butter's melted. So let's get them on a medium heat. And we just keep turning frequently. And I will bring you back. Right, I think they're done. Now if you notice, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, these ones at the back here look 100 times better and they're a lot bigger. These ones at the front, the bacon ones, it looks like the butter's curdled a bit and they're only tiny. Let's see if I can get one of each and show you. A lot of difference, you probably can't tell on the camera. But anyway, they're done, so let's dish them up. Well, we'll get the bacon one in first, on this side. Blocking the camera there, and I hold on. You can see. All over everywhere. You want to get the bacon on top, don't you, to get it looking nice. Mmm. Well, there's that one. And now the cranberry one, which I think looks a lot better. I think it looks a hell of a lot better. More of a Christmassy feel, innit, with that cranberry on there. And chestnuts. Get it all on. So, there we go. Give it a shake. Right, let's have a taste test. Right, I'm going to try the bacon one first. Probably can't see it properly, but there it is. It looks nice and it smells nice. They are a bit smaller than the other ones. It's got to be straight on its own first. Nothing wrong with them. Now I am one of them ones who likes sprouts, so there's nothing wrong with them at all. The little bacon. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Let's try it together. There's nothing wrong with that bacon and that maple bacon and sprout one, that's fine. It's got the juices there as well, which is quite nice. Now on to the cranberry. Try the sprout first. Bit more of a colour on that one. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with the chestnut either. Now the cranberry. Nothing wrong with them either. Bit of a taste after in them. Let's try it all together. This is a tough one for me, that's quite nice as well. Let's try this one again. I think the bacon one is a little bit more juicy. And it's got that extra sweetness from the maple. But to be honest with you, I'd have any. For £1.99p Christmas Day, saves you faffing around. 12 minutes and you're done. Yeah, I mean, how much are sprouts? About £1 in there or something, I suppose. So yeah, I think they're worth it to stick on the table Christmas Day, if you like sprouts. Either or both. Can have both. I think I prefer the bacon one a little bit more, but not a lot. Yeah, so there we go, something simple. I hope the mic's working, I don't know. I'll find out when I try to edit it. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. It's just a quick one to see if the mic's working okay. See you later. Bye bye.